a contactless girly, then this video is for you. Let's try out some contact lenses, okay? So I have here with me this contact lens is from Unibling. I've been seeing them all over my For You page, begging me to try them. And here's some contact lenses, so I decided to try it. Plus they had sales too, so why not? Okay, let's unbox. I don't know what this is. Stickers, I guess. I really need it. Yes. And this is what's inside the package. Super cute contact lenses. The packaging is super cute. So let's try all 7 contact lenses. But yeah, this is the packaging. This is what it looks like. Super cute. We have flirty gray. So I'm gonna put what flirty gray looks on the screen, and I'm gonna put it on. Oh, inside has like extra casing as well, which is super cool. That's a definitely plus. I think the only thing I've done is I've forgotten to buy the solution. So when I get the chance to go to a beauty supply store, I will be picking up a solution. And this is the contact, the back. These are the contacts. You guys can't really see because it's like gray, so it kind of looks like white. It has the expiry date on it as well, so you guys can see it right here. This is so cute, and it doesn't even look as bright as it looks on camera, but it's so beautiful. This flirty gray. I'm about to eat you up. What? Yo, this beautiful. Next, now let's try crump green. This is giving like forest green, and it matches my outfit. You think I have green eyeliner underneath my eyes? Given this contact is doing the job, okay? And she's super cute. Next, Mia Mocha. This is what she looks like. I'm not sure if you guys can see her, so I'm gonna zoom. She is more subtle. You can't really notice her, but she's cute. Like next, this is Uranus green. Next, this is Glacier blue. Super pretty. Look at that. Next, this is Polar Light Brown. Next, this is Flirty Blue. Super gorge. Next, so this is in Ocean Blue. This is gorgeous. A mix of blue and green. So perfect. Goes with this makeup look that I have a green shirt. Super cute. My eyes are on fire because I just tried on in contact lenses in one go. I'm gonna call it a night. Okay? Hope you guys enjoyed this. Watching these swatches. Have a good Happy New Year, and don't forget to follow, share, and subscribe. Engage in the comment section below which one was your favorite color. Let me know in the comment section. I think my favorite was like the grays and the blues, except for that one blue that was super bright. I think it was like the last blue that I did, but this blue, I like it. This one has to be like my favorite out of every single one of them. It's crazy because it was just happened to be the last one, and I thought it was gonna be scary, but it's not. It's like sexy. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video.